Hi everyone, welcome to Hibernate tutorial. In this session, we are going to cover one-to-many mapping. So first, we will create a project. We will right click here and go to new. After that, projects. Then we have Java project and next, and we will give it name as. Let me minimize first. All right. So we will give name as Hibernate One-to-Many. So this is the name of my application, and next, and after that finish. So here you can see that yes, and here you can see our project. Hibernate one-to-many. Now next thing which we want to do, we will convert this Java project into Maven project. So we will right click here and go to the config, convert to Maven project, and here output will be jar. Finish. Now we have converted our Java project into the into our Maven project. So here we will create the package. So package name will be com.tel, and finish. Now we have to add the dependencies in the pom.xml file. So what we will do here, we will include this part. So here we have added the dependency for the Hibernate core and MySQL. We are using MySQL as the database. So now our dependency part is done. After that, what we have to do, we have to create the Hibernate configuration file here. In source, we will right click, then other, and XML, and we will name it as Hibernate dot configuration dot XML. So this is the name of my file, Hibernate configuration.xml or cfg.xml. Let's Hibernate cfg.xml file. Next, and finish. Now what we will do, we will add the configuration properties of the MySQL. So we have added the configuration properties of the MySQL. Here you can see that we have added the MySQL dialect, and we have added the MySQL driver. Then we have URL. So our database name will be tel, and our username will be and password. We do not have any password for the database. So this is our Hibernate CFG file, and we have added all the required properties of the Hibernate CFG file, Hibernate configuration file. Now what we have to do, we have to create the pozo, and another part which we have to create the main class which will execute this program. So here, if you can see that our dependency is already added, we have added the Hibernate dependency in our project. Now, so as this is our one-to-many mapping, so here we will suppose we will take the example as one user or one employee can have multiple addresses and vice versa. So let's first, what we will do, we will create the employee class, and inside the employee class, and we will create another address class. We have address class. Inside the employee class, what we will do, we will have employee ID, int, private int, ID. Then we have private string name. Then we have private string suppose employee ID, or salary, let's suppose int salary. Then we have private address. We will have here list of address because this employee will have multiple addresses. So here address will have list of address. So here we will import this from the util addresses. Now what we will do, we will create the setters and getters. Resources, setters and getters, select all, and OK. So we have all the setters and getters here, and after that we will go to the address class and we will create the fields of the address class. Private int house number. Then we have private string city. Then we have private string country, and we will create the setters and getters. Select all and OK. Now we have the models, we have the CFG file, we have the dependency pom.xml. What else we need? We need the main class. So this will be your main class, which will contain public static void main. So here now we have main class as well as. Now up to this session, we have what we have covered. We have created a Java project, then we have converted that Java project into the Maven project. After that we have added our dependency which are required for the Hibernate program, and after that we have created this Hibernate configuration file and the required pozo and the main class. In our next sessions, what we will do, we will update the we will convert this Pojo employee and address into the um, Hibernate beans. We will convert it into the entities. We will add all the required annotations for one to many. So one employee can have multiple addresses. So this is what we are going to achieve. And after that, we will write the code for the main class from where we will execute our program.